The last thing I'd like to show you is under create objects, we now have a mesh object. So we might call this custom mesh. And this mesh allows you to attach an FBX to this object. So down here I have custom here, and if I go to the attributes for this object, I have a path, and I can attach any FBX to this object. So for example, I'm just going to take one of our standard prop meshes. In this example, let's take the, what do we want? A sword, let's say. Now we have a sword. This doesn't have any, it's not a subject, but it is a object that you can move around and position in your space. So one example of this might be, again, you want to plan out your volume, or you say, right, I'm going to have some staging over in one corner. You have an FBX for that staging, or what you're going to kind of build on set, and you could import that in and then manipulate it and move it around your volume, as so. Great, I think that's everything. Thanks for watching, and enjoy Shōgun 1.3.